it's Jess over at Beis just giving you that reminder because we're having all this rain to please make sure you go and check your sump pumps and the floor drains in your basement. Sometimes with all the rain that we get, the storm sewers can be overloaded with water, and the only place for that water to go is up through your basement floor drains. We want to help keep you guys from coming home to flooded basements. We also have solutions to help keep this from happening if it does happen to you guys frequently. So give us a call. The number is 314-500-5325, and we'll be here to help. Thanks, guys.